Hey everybody, it is me, Tytex. Roll the intro! All right, guys. So, I made another video of this. But it was at like 1 a.m. It was at like 1 a.m. So I'm gonna do it again, guys. I think you've guessed it, guys. In today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing this Chuck E. Cheese gumball machine. And I've done this before, and I do have another one. Yeah, I have another one right here. So, guys, the video that I made unboxing that one was at 1 a.m. So I'm gonna make up and do this again. And I won this at Chuck E. Cheese for like 1,000 tickets or whatever. 1,010 tickets. Yeah, guys, win this at Chuck E. Cheese. It's really cool. Let's unbox this. So as you see, it has like some sort of wire. Let's open this. Come on. Yeah, and it comes with gumballs. Yeah, see, it comes with gumballs. Yeah, it comes with gumballs. Did you guys hear that rip? Alright, guys. Anyway. Alright, guys. So, as you see, there is this wiring around the gumball. I'm gonna try to get this. Around the machine. I think I need scissors. 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go cut this and come right back. I'll be right back. And I'm just gonna cut this. So I'm just gonna cut the tape, and when I'm back, it'll be done being cut. Oh yeah, there it is. All right. So here's the machine. You're supposed to turn it and it comes out. But yeah, here are the gumballs it came with. Like right there. Little pack. Just like the other one. Alright. So now we have to open the top to get this like thing out. Let's go. Boom. Alright, so there's some paper that shows gumballs. Let's get this out. Paper. I'm getting this paper out. Alright. Okay, let's just roll a time lapse. I'm just gonna roll a time lapse. I'm gonna roll a time lapse of me getting this paper out, just so you guys don't have to wait. Alright? Roll a time lapse. Alright, guys, so for you guys it was like 6 seconds for me to get all this paper out. For me it was like 6 minutes, and here it is. The top's right here. Let me show you all all the paper that was like in there. That is all the paper that was like in there. Alright. Anyways, guys. Sorry guys, I just dropped the camera. Sorry. Wait 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. It was like I dropped the camera. But now, guys, without further ado, let's put the gumballs in. So there's the gumballs. Get this out. All right. Here's the gumballs. Here's the gumballs. Hey, kitty. Hi, kitty. But anyways, guys, so where are the gumballs? Yep, here they are. Got the gumballs. Now let's put them in here. Let's open this. Ooh, hear that rip? Ooh. Ooh, it comes in a little bag. See, a little bag. So let me see. It says on the bag it says on the bag, this unit not labeled for individual retail sale. Okay, I don't care. Okay, let's put this in here. Gumballs. 1 second, let me just close the door. Alright guys, so let's open these gumballs and put them in the machine. And guys, this takes no quarters, which is good. All you have to do is twist it and it comes out. No quarters. Oh, now let's go. Come on, this will open. Open! Anyways, guys, I got the bag open. Now let's put it in the machine one by one. Alright. I'm gonna try to do it one by one. Alright. Boom. One's in. See? You know what, guys? I'm just gonna roll another time lapse. Wait, 1 second. Yeah. Oh no, Gumball's dropped. 1 second. Alright guys, I'm just gonna roll a time lapse of me putting these in the gumballs in the gumball machine. So just roll a time lapse again so it can be faster. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. I just knocked over the camera again. Sorry about that. Anyways, let's continue that time lapse. Alright guys, last one to put in. Ready? Yay! We did it, guys. Oh, there's a bag. Boom. So now, guys, here it is. The new gumball machine. So if you guys apparently don't know how it works, to get a gumball out, you twist it. You twist this. Yeah, you twist this thingy. And then, ready? 1 second. Like I say, you twist it. Come on. Boom. Let's see. Oh, 2 of them came out. And then, and they come out over here. Like this. Okay guys, I just did 2 camera angles, so it'll be better for you to see from the other camera angle. Here is the other shot from the other camera angle. Alright guys, so then it's supposed to come. Coming out. Dang it. Come out. They're coming down. They're coming down like that. Alright guys, so that was the other angle of it. So anyways guys, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And make sure to like and subscribe to Alex Rocks 23's channel. And without further ado, well first let me add this to my collection. Boom, now I got 2. Now I got 2 gumball machines. Yeah! But anyways guys, yeah, like I said before, make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to subscribe to Alex Rocks 23's channel. Yeah, and make sure to subscribe to Mega Gamer CW's his channel. Mega Gamer CW, yeah. And anyways, without further ado, bye guys, see you in my next video. Trash. Hey, who did that? Who threw that trash at me? Kids!